All right, here we go. It should only take a few seconds to flush the whole system. Or we're gonna make a huge mess. We're going to go ahead and get this system flushed out before we do anything else. Okay. Now there's a good chance that this is going to make a huge mess. So when I turn the engine on, this is going to spew out and potentially just... I'm probably, let's see, I could probably do that. There we go. All right, here we go. And it should only take a few seconds to flush the whole system. Or we're going to make a huge mess. Oh, yep, it's spraying everywhere. It's spraying everywhere. Oh my God, it's all over the windshield. Oh no. Yeah, see that's, oh. Did I get the low pressure and high pressure side mixed up? I think I got the low pressure and high pressure side mixed up. Now I gotta go buy like 10 gallons of brake cleaner. Oh, that is... Oh. Oh, it's everywhere.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.